Well, we're back at it. Back at the whole Yu-Gi-Oh! Pro thing. Because this guy cannot sleep. Dim sleeping habits for the loss, right? Now you're probably thinking, what the fuck are you running? I don't know, this hand's really good though. I bet you I can like OTK with this hand easy. No, really, I could OTK with this hand, like... What the crap you playing Visionary? So, if he doesn't set any back row, I'm gonna win this game, like... Or if he doesn't have any hand traps to stop me, I'm going to win this game. But you know, since it's Grey Keepers, he's going to have back row, and I really do not give two shits if he plays Necro Valley. So, pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to special, normal, scrap direct. Wait, he didn't set any back row. Geartown OTK for the win. I'm gonna, well, don't do that yet. It's like, this is like really funny. Bring out that Scrap Dragon, and since I didn't use Mass Chameleon's effect this turn, this hand is still funny though. Like, I was like, if he doesn't set any back row, I essentially win this game. I mean, look at this. One turn. And if this doesn't work, I have Tour Guide. Like, this is ridiculous. I was like, really? Watch, he'll have Gores. I wonder why he didn't click the surrender. Oh, there we go. So now we know this deck can like OTK and stuff. That's ridiculous. Alright, so let's go to the next guy. Okay, this hand is... Oh, never mind. This hand just got so much better with that 6 card. Like, Gear Frame just made this whole hand, like beat worthy. I don't even want to set the Geartown yet. Do I? No. I don't want it to be obvious just yet. I mean, what sucks about Mass Chameleon is if you bring back the freaking monster back from the graveyard, you don't get Geartown's effect for the rest of the turn, pretty much. Like, really? I'm literally about to OTK another person if this keeps this shit. You know what? I'm gonna go for it like a bad player. I don't know what he has, but I don't care. Wow, this is ridiculous. I'm just gonna be a huge scrub. Like, this is... Like, what is this? Like, I'm just OTKing everybody. Just... My internet's... Okay, like... Like, what is this? There's no delay at all. Well, that explains it. He's playing the Golden Apples. Like, this is like ridiculous. Like, I'm kind of speechless. This is like the second consecutive OTK that I've done with this. and his one chance to get a token is like, it's like no. I mean, unless he has gores like right now, then this, you know, this is game. Wow. I can't believe I'm recording this, and I did 2 OTKs in a row. This is not edited, guys. I'm just doing this just to do it. So, like, this is just too funny. Alright, okay. I'm just gonna stop the video if I OTK again. That is, if we can end this game of rock, paper, scissors. Yeah, I get to go first again. Okay, not OTK. Alright, alright. But we will start off with tour guide. And of course, we gotta pull out some mains and shit. Gotta have that D. Defense. Alright, so now we can have an actually good game. Let's hope. I mean, what wonders, right? I want the game. You serious? Like, they're not doing any. Wait. Okay. I guess it's another OTK. What in the world? Like, I'm like, no. 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 There's no way out. Apparently it only takes me 1 turn to kill people. It's just ridiculous. Okay, okay. One more. Like, this is already gold. And I bet you didn't know I played BLS. I mean, hell, he doesn't have to know what I'm running. This hand is actually, honestly, really bad. Draw Fortress, go. Draw Gear Frame. Well, it looks like I'm going to lose this game. Alright. He's going to get the JD, and then he's going to get... It's probably going to get that little tuner guy. That Mills 2. There, yep, that thing. And then he's going to summon it. And then... So mill 2 more, and then he's... Did he get Saki? Nope. I still think this is pretty ridiculous, like... It's like in before gear frame top deck. Go, 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 go. See what he does next. I mean, this deck is just solely built by me. I mean, I pretty much built this deck from scratch. Put like random ass shit in there. Now you know I run breakers. I mean, why the hell not? Just, there's no necros in there, right? I don't think he'd use one. Get it in for 19. He'll probably drop like Gores or something, but nope, guess not. I mean, this deck is just way too fast, though. I mean, Lightsworns have gotten to the point where, with all these new Lightsworns coming out, I mean, it's all like what Asianized White Dragon would say: too fast, too furious. I mean, that's a good that contributes. I mean, you got Necro Valley. Man, I know that's a Raikou though. Uh, really, I mean, it's either I deal with it now or I deal with it later. That's how I feel about it. Why can't you be a... Okay, I thought that was Raikou, so it's Bacon Saver. That's Necrogardna. Necrogardna number 4. You know, I'm not even gonna bother dropping Necro Valley yet. Like, I'm gonna drop it when I get when I'm about to OTK my opponent, like I've been doing for the past 3 games. Like, alright, so now things are gonna get nasty. I think. That means he mills like 2 more, right? Or 1 more? Well, that didn't help any at all. Okay, sets another monster. See what I draw next. Oh, if I could find anything better to draw, anything would be better than that, really. Is it Raikou now? I mean, if... Oh, okay, so he has Honest. No need to compulse that. I know what you guys are thinking. Why does Breaker still have his counter? Well, guess what? I haven't drawn a Geartown yet. I've drawn a freaking... And Terraforming. I run 2 Terraformings in here, too. You know what would be such a bad play? Activate... Honest Activate Effect. Chain Compulse. That would be like the most horrible play in the world. Ever. Oh, man. This is the game that's gonna... Oh, there's Necrogardna. Exodius. In case he does deck out. Okay, so there is a threat. Okay, he has Honest. I'm not even gonna set the MST, really. I'm just drawing god awful. Like, no tour guides, no... Photon Thrasher would be kinda okay. Really? Valor, why must you be so bad? At least at the moment. I mean, he's kind of good now. I mean, okay, it was only a matter of time before that was gonna happen. I mean, what choice do I got? I mean, if he has another one, I can't really do much about it, or if he tries to bring out... Yep. I mean, what do I do? You know, the good news is that Effect Builder was a light monster. I mean, does he kill me yet? Like, I have nothing. Brings out Dragon Ruler and I'm dead. Oh, or that. Let's see. That's 3k. Drop the Judgment Dragon and I get OTK. Okay, I get it. Well, I guess that's the video for today. Yeah, nothing short of spectacular. Yep, peace out.